This is the last of the pigeon young birds. That's all I've got left out of 58 pigeons. And look what we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We've actually, and one in the box there, and there's one in this box and one in that box. So there's 23. But they're all hardened racers now. They've had so many bad tosses and knocks and nights out, and they've all made it back. And they're all hardened racers. I started racing, we've had 3 young bird races, and I've lost 1. And the one that I lost was a pigeon I brought back from Haywood, which is just over the Pennines, next to Rochdale. I kept her for 2 weeks, trained her up, first race, gone. So really, she was a well-bred pigeon, but things happen like that, don't they? She might have hit a wire, could have been hawked. I might be condemning her. She might get back. But these are the boys. There's Coach East there. Big hopes for him. If he's any good. He's survived anyway. And these are the rest of them. So like I say, young bird, you need a big heart to race pigeons, because I've had some heartache for these youngsters. But these are what I've got left, and hopefully they'll be here at the end of the season, which I think we've got 4 races left. And that's it from the D Underwood loft. Should I say Dave and Sue. My missus, she puts a lot of time into these. Over and out.